What's going on, people? This is your host, Donnie D with Sculpting Fit Bodies, healthy living expert and certified personal trainer. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthy, comforting, flavorful salmon burger using some fresh ingredients, using some fresh herbs, and I'm going to bring all those things together to make some magic that will not disappoint. So stay tuned. All right, folks, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start mixing up the ingredients. I'm going to take a can of wild caught salmon, canned salmon. So this is what's going to make the dish really affordable. We're using canned salmon. This wouldn't be my first option, but when the budget's kind of tight, you still want to eat something healthy, or you don't have a chance to go to the grocery store, you can grab a can of fresh salmon. You want to make sure that you drain off the water. You can see I still have a little bit of water in there. Pour a little bit back into the can just in case we need some extra moisture. I'm gonna take a fork and you're gonna mash up the salmon. Some people may take the skin off, but the skin has a lot of nutrients in it, and I prefer that. So if you don't like the skin, take that out. And you're gonna have some bone. I also like those that has a lot of calcium in it, which is a nutrient that you want to keep. Make sure I break it up with the back of the fork. It looks pretty good. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Gonna set that off to the side. Our next ingredient, we're gonna take an egg, and we're gonna beat the egg. Gonna put that into the bowl of salmon. We're gonna add in some fresh veggies, sweet onion, by the way, green bell pepper. You're gonna zest some lemon into the mixture. And this is gonna add some freshness and cut down on some of the fishy flavor of the canned salmon. We're gonna put a little bit of the lemon juice in there. Make sure you get those seeds. You don't want anybody to choke. Now we're gonna add some dry ingredients. We're gonna add a little bit of granulated garlic, or you can use fresh garlic, a little Cayenne Pepper. I like a little bit of kick to my food, but if you're not really a fan of a lot of spice, I would omit the cayenne. So just a little bit, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. Some smoked paprika. And if you watch any of my other content, you may have noticed that I mispronounced paprika. I said paprika, and people gave me a hard time about it, but hey, we're only human, right? Some salt. You're gonna add a little bit of sea salt, just enough to season for flavor. Just use your better judgment. And our last ingredient that's gonna marry everything together and make it whole, we're gonna add some breadcrumbs. And these are wheat breadcrumbs. Add 1/2 cup, keep mixing it up. I think it's a little dry, so what I'm gonna do, actually gonna add the leftover fish juice out of the can. I'm gonna add that back in, and we're gonna form these into some patties. All right, so we have the mixture all set. All of the dry ingredients, all of the herbs and veggies are into the mixture. Gonna form these into 4 patties. So this could feed a family of 4, family of 3, however you wanna do it. This could be a meal prep idea, totally up to you. So you don't have to use gloves. This is my personal preference. I don't like food smells on my hands, but also for cleanliness purposes. So just grab 1/2 handful and just kind of eyeball it. All right, and you're gonna form some patties. All right, and these are sticking together really well, and this helps with using the breadcrumbs and that egg. Now we're gonna put that there, grab another one, and just form another patty. That looks good. Hold it together really well. Another one there. So we have 4 salmon burger patties all set to go. Pop them into the refrigerator. You let them cool for about 30 minutes to an hour. Take them out, and we can put those on the skillet. All right, guys, so while those salmon burgers are chilling in the refrigerator to set, I'm gonna start making the salad that's gonna go on top of the salmon burger. It's gonna add some extra flavor, it's gonna add some nutrients, gonna give it some flavor without adding a lot of high calorie condiments like ketchup, which is high in sugar, mayo, which is high in fat, stuff like that. But we're gonna add some nice herbs in there. So I'm gonna start off with dicing up a few of these red radish. I'm gonna throw in some cilantro, some red onion, some citrus, some avocado, and a couple other things. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you this magic. So we're gonna get these nice and thin. Beautiful avocado. around. We got one ingredient. I'm gonna put a little bit of Dijon Mustard in here just to bring in different flavor element. Gonna mix this around, let those citrus flavors marry with the rest of these herbs and veggies. And this is the slaw. I just want nice chunks of avocado in there. We have some some radish, red onion, cilantro, salt, pepper, some citrus from a lime, citrus from an orange, citrus from a lemon. This is good stuff right there. We're gonna marry all these together and pop this in the refrigerator, and we're gonna get started cooking on those salmon burgers. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so the next step here is gonna get these salmon burgers cooked. I have a cast iron skillet that's getting up to temperature. I'm gonna add in some avocado oils for some healthy fats to keep this recipe nice and healthy and nutrient dense. So we're gonna put a little bit of oil in the skillet, maybe a tablespoon. Get that up to temperature. Put those into the cast iron skillet, and you hear that sizzle? That is what you're looking for. That's gonna help get that texture on that sear on the outside of the burger. Nice crispy sear on the outside, and but we're gonna make sure we get it fully cooked. So we're gonna put the burgers on there about 3 to 5 minutes, depends on how your skillet cooks, on what temperature you have. But with a cast iron skillet, make sure that you put it on medium heat and let it cook nice and evenly. Otherwise, you'll burn it if you put the temperature up too high on the cast iron skillet. But that's the beauty of a cast iron skillet. It retains heat very well, and you just keep it on a medium heat, and you're all set. Set it and forget it. So we're gonna do a good quick flip. Gonna let these go for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Set these on the bun and get them on the plate. And it's gonna be time to eat real soon. So keep watching, you won't be disappointed. All right, so we'll get these burgers off the skillet. They're fully cooked. I'm gonna simply put a burger on the bun, and this is what's gonna bring it to life. Next, we're gonna put a little bit of this relish on, put a little extra on there, a little extra avocado. All right, guys, so everything is on the plate. I have this burger, I have the relish on top of it. I'm gonna taste it, but I'm also eating it with some roasted yams. Link will be up above in the card, or you can click the link in the description to take you to the roasted yams video. And if you're trying to keep your carbs low, I have a Greek salad that you can click the link on. This is one of my first video recipes. If you want to be good at something, you have to make an attempt to be good at it, or get better rather, by dedication, consistency, and just determination to get better at what you do. That's not my best video. I've come a long way, and that's how I was able to do it, by making sure that I stay dedicated to the process and staying on top of it. But I digress. Take a look at those videos. I'm gonna taste this burger, and I'm gonna let you guys get out of here. All right, let's see. Oh man, look at that avocado. Wow, party of flavor. So I'm tasting the salmon. I'm tasting a little bit of smoke from that smoked paprika, the fresh herbs. Taste a little bit of citrus, the cilantro. It's all coming together. Just a party of flavors. I'm trying not to smack. It's just so good. But wow, that's a really good burger. I want you to try this video recipe. Give me some feedback on what you thought about it after you eat it. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if I earned your subscription. And also hit that notification bell. This is Donnie D with Sculpting Fit Bodies. Much love, much respect. Stay peaceful. Till next time. Peace.